So today, Healthy Families, Fairfax and Nurse Family Partnership are hosting a baby extravaganza, which really is just a baby shower for families here in the Fairfax County area. The goal of the program is for them to come while also to win prizes, able to learn information about the home visiting services that we have here in Fairfax County, also information about WIC and maternal health, breastfeeding, and also just the community partners that we have in the local area to help with other services that families may need.
So today here we have representation from the health department. We have Women, Infant, and Children, our WIC program, here's providing nutritional support and education. We have our home visiting programs here to talk about the benefits of home visiting and having a home visiting nurse as part of your journey into parenthood. We also have Department of Family Services and Northern Virginia Family Services that are here representing Healthy Families home visiting program as well. And then we have United Community, which is a community resource that provides resources for housing, food insecurity, and fatherhood programs. And so we have lots of pregnant women from the community and a few of their partners that have come with them to gather those resources.
One of the things that Department of Family Services and the Health Department really want to focus on is prevention. So one of the best things about Healthy Families and Nurse Family Partnership is that we work with families early in their parenting process. So for instance, this baby extravaganza, we had a presentation on safe sleep so they can learn about when they bring their baby home, what is the best way to put your baby down in a crib, being safe, and also about what is important for healthy eating, nutrition, and breastfeeding. So good parenting begins early on, and we want to really support our community with having that information and awareness early in the process.
The safest place for a baby to sleep is in their own crib, their own bassinet, not in the bed with mom and dad.
Y el lugar más seguro para que un bebé duerma es en su propia cunita.
If you're interested in finding more information about our programs, you can definitely call our parenting support line or visit the Fairfax County website.